Hi, I'm Ruby Martinez with Pro Fashion, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Trifecta styling wand to create professional styles at home. A major key to styling your hair stress-free is to make sure that you're picking the right size barrel for your hair. Since I have thinner but longer hair, I like to go for a 1 inch. If you're someone who has shorter hair, I definitely recommend the 1/2 inch. This is going to be great for your length. If you have longer or thicker hair, the 1.5 inch is going to be perfect. Before you get started curling your hair, you want to brush through it, make sure there's no knots, and then separate your hair in sections. We're going to start off by styling the bottom layers first. So I'm just going to go ahead and separate my hair. Just going to make sure that this section has no tangles or knots or anything, but I'm not over brushing the volume out of it, just making sure it's nice and smooth. So once you've parted and separated your hair, you want to grab about a 2 to 3 inch thin and wide section. So your section is going to look something like this. First, you want to make sure your iron is pointed down at a 45-degree angle. So not like this, not up. This is the correct position. You also want to make sure that you're placing the iron on top, not under or behind, but on top. You want to grab your hair in a fist for this style and just twirl the hair around the barrel like that. For this style, you want to hold it for about 5 to 8 seconds. Then you want to slide the barrel up, dropping the curl in your palm. You want to let it cool for a second so that your hair can hold the style. And then for the beach wave, you just want to pull it out and shake it a little bit. Since beach waves are a little looser, you can also comb through it with your fingers as well. So now I'm going to explain how to curl the back of your hair. This part can be a little tricky since we can't perfectly see the back of our heads. The biggest tip to make styling the back of your hair really easy is actually coming from behind your head and styling that piece. And still taking a fist to grab the hair and curl it away from the face. Releasing the iron up and dropping the curl into the palm. Letting it cool down so that it can still hold the curl, but shaking it out so that it's just loose enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how to curl the right side of your face. This can be a little tricky for people since we are so used to curling on the opposite side, but it's really simple. We're just gonna mimic the same technique that we did on the left side to the right side. We're going to grab the hair in a fist and twirl it around the wand. Now notice the hair is not completely flat on the barrel. It's a little twirled and twisted, so that gives that nice beach wave look. And notice how I'm cupping my hand at the bottom of the barrel to grab the curl and release the wand up. A nice beach wave right there. So that's the technique to getting a nice beachy wave. Continue those techniques throughout the whole head until you reach your desired look. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. If you have any question or for more information on our products and tools, visit our website at profashionhair.com.